Welcome back. My name's Max, and I have 44 days until exam FM. Alright, let's get straight into this problem. Alright, first, there are 3 deposits made into a fund as follows. Deposit of $100 of now, 300 in 1 year, and 500 in 2 years. An annual sample interest of 6% is credited in the first and second year, and for the third year, interest is credited at a constant force interest of 0.06 t, where t is a number of years from now. Find the accumulated value of the fund at the end of 3 years. Alright, so let us set up our time diagram. So we have 3 years. So we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Alright, so we have a deposit of $100. Let's make this a little shorter. $100 right now. $300 in 1 year. And then $500 in 2 years. So we're trying to find the accumulated value of all of these funds at the end of 3 years. So how much is it at the end of 3 years? So given to us, annual simple interest rate of 6% is in the first and second year. So right here, it is simple interest of 6%, 0.06. It's a little small for you guys. I'll make it bigger. And then for last year, it is a delta of 0.06 t. Alright, so simple interest is pretty simple. So first off, we have $100. What is accumulate that? We're going to accumulate the $100 and $300 to year 2, and then we could do something else with a different interest rate or a constant force interest. So we have $100, multiplied that by 1 plus I, 1 plus 0.06, and then we multiply that by 2 because 2 years, and that should get us, let's do a quick calculation, 100 times 1 plus 0.06 times 2, that gets us 112. So right now we take this $100, took 2 years of simple interest, now it's $112 right here. And now we have a constant force interest of 0.06 t. So we can take this entire thing, multiply e raised to the, since we're going from time 2 to 3, so I'm kind of running out of room. So we gotta do from we go from 2 to 3. So the lower bound is 2, upper bound is 3. The integral of 0.06 t dt. Alright, so if we do the integral of that, we have the basic integral. So that becomes 0.06 t squared all over 2, evaluated from 2 to 3. This can change into 0.03. So I'm going to go, if you change it here, to 0.03 t squared from 2 to 3, because 2 can divide into 0.06. Alright, let me erase this to make some more room for myself. And if we do that, let's do that in my calculator real quick. So we have 0.03 times 2 squared minus 0.03 times 3 squared, and that should get us, that should equal 1.1618, which seems reasonable. We have this, that's equivalent to 16.18% interest rate for years 2 to 3. A little high, but I mean, it's not completely crazy, so I'd say we're good. Yeah, so I'm going to take this times our 112 times 1.1618, and that gets us to $130. So I'm going to write this right here. So 130 plus. Alright, so now I'm going to find the last 2 numbers. So we have 300, again, simple interest, so 300 times 1 plus 0.06 times 1, which really doesn't do anything, equals 318. Then multiply that again by this, because we took the 300, went to 2, Now we're going 2 to 3, which is different interest rate. So take that times 1.1618. The reason I'm not doing the integral again, because we already did it. That's going to equal to 369.45. I didn't do the point, the other one will. Alright, and then the last one is from 500 from 2 to 3. So we take 500 times 1.1618, it's 580. Add all those up. And then this, yeah, you can see that. This is a total of 1,080.51, or 1081 to round up, and that is our final answer. Thank you. I'll see you next one.